Hey, are you a parent or a teacher or working with kids? No matter what is that. So next 5 minutes is going to be your words. Are we living in the most sophisticated generation in the world? Yes, we are. We are having the smartphone. We are having the supercomputers. We are having the rockets and satellites, etc., etc. In healthcare also, we have done means magnificently well. But are we the ever joyful generation? No. Why? This is the reason you have to ponder about. Because we have been flooded with lot of information, we have been surrounded with lot of gadgets, but we don't know how to use it for our own benefit, right? For an example, if you don't know the mechanism about how to communicate with your child, because everybody is a different learner with a different learning styles, no good no bad, but if you don't know how to communicate with different learners, then you will be in the mess, right? So I am conducting a workshop, and before that I am giving a free one to one call session where I will teach you several uses of tools developed by me and tested on hundreds of students across India and some other countries as well. So for that you have to book the below button and select the date. So where what you will learn on that, I will come to that. See, we will be working on the different phases of the life. Whether you are a parent or you are working mother or a means father, no matter who are, everybody can join in the workshop, and it will boost your the relationship as well. Now, unless we know, means suppose let us take an example. There is a car, I have gifted you a car, but you don't know how the steering works, how the brake works, or how the gear works, then it will be not much use of it, right? You will always be frightened, you will always be in a stress how to drive, and you always there will be thoughts coming in your mind that I may meet with an accident, although it's a gift for you. The similar thing is happening with us. We have been gifted with a big asset, that is our body, but we don't know, we don't teach our kids, or even we don't know how our brain works, how our mind works, how the eyes and the brain communicates, how our body pulses works, why we feel anxiety, why we should study, what are the ways I can imply to the different learners, because there is no one shot solution for all the kids, all the peoples. As a result, people end up with messing up with relationship with their childs, with their spouses, any other things. So first of all, I'll give you the tools. Why tools? Why I am talking about tools? Because if I ask you to open a screw without a screwdriver, your life will become a mess. So screwdriver is like a tools. Tools means which reduces human efforts. So I will first make you know how our body mechanism works. This is the most important secret. Once you know that, then I will give you the tools through which you can hack those mechanism and can do whatever you want. For an example, first I will teach you how to know what type of learner you or your kids are. Okay, then once it is done, then your relationships will be automatically improved with your kids, with your spouse. It can be applied anywhere in the office, if you are doing in a business, if you are using with your clients, anything. Then I'll give you the tools through which you can use your brain to the maximum way. For if you are having a child, or even you also, you can memorize 50-60 words within a minute. You can remember even a book. You can remember long answers within a few minutes. You can remember even a book also. It's not a magic, it's just that using the tools you can tweak your brain. Okay, so if you can do that, if you can teach your child, because child doesn't means every child doesn't, they always want to play, and that is very natural. if we push them to study or behave properly the way we want, they will not do. So that is a hack, that is a secret, how we can bring that interest and can amalgamate with their interest. So then I'll teach you how the mind works, how to convert them, how to make them happy in inner. Because at the end of the day, you obviously you want to see your kids as a happy rather than rich. Because if your child is happy, the richness will follow, but the vice versa will not. So if you know how to control your emotions, your mind, and how to break the negative patterns, how to stop the anxiety, automatically your holistic life will, grow up. Then I'll teach you about the creativity, how to use the creativity, how to do the practice the art of articulations. Because now in the coming days, because previous things are not going to work, so your kids should be well equipped with the upcoming technologies also. So the parenting, as a parent, you should always be an updated version of yourself, or a teacher or a coach. Because parenting means, or teaching means learning, not teaching. So the more you will learn, the more benefit, the more good ecosystem you can provide to your family, and as a whole, the whole relationship of your room or of your house, then the vibration will raise up. So what I am going to give, first thing is the solution for a relationship with your spouse, with your kids, with anybody. Second, the brain hacks. That means you can stop the rote learning and you can memorize whatever under the sun is. Every trick is I'll show you, and I will show you in advance. I'll prove you that it happens. It's my challenge. Then as a result, the academics will improve. Then I'll give them the mind hacks and the body hacks through which they can calm their mind, their body, their physical things, their mental things, their inner being will enhance. Fourth, I'll give them how to read, how to learn a thing faster, okay, so that the more thing you can process, filtering the unwanted things. And last of all, there are a lot of bonus. You can check my website and you can book the call to know more. So it's a holistic package which I am providing, through which you can learn, and it can be the best gift ever for you, for your kid, for your entire family. And believe me, come join in the workshop and fix a date, one-to-one call with me. I'll teach you, and even if you are convinced, then only we can work together, or else we will be a good friends. So please join with me, and it is our responsibility to create a good future, or give them a good ecosystem to our childs and our upcoming generation. So please join me in my one-to-one workshop. Thank you. Bye-bye.